Here you go. I'm ready to put this in my solar cooker. By the way, the ingredients are gluten-free biscuit flour. I got soy milk, coconut oil in place of butter, and honey to taste. So now I'm getting it ready to be placed in there. Now remember I told you about the Panda Express block tray, party tray. When you order from Panda Express, they give you a tray with a black bottom. So then I put my just little elevation so that it will cook properly at the bottom. Alright. That thing is there now. I'll go do my errands. And right now, the time is 11:30 a.m. This time I'm gonna measure how much time it will cook. See you later. Alright, so I'll show you my biscuit. It's I baked this morning at 11:30 a.m. Now it's almost 6:30 p.m. and I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm excited. Look at that, it grew. I think it cooked it. I haven't opened yet, but looks yummy. Let me see. It's definitely hot. Oh my gosh, it cooked it. No way. It's no way. This is really cooked. Oh my gosh, I have a biscuit now. Look at this. Moist at the bottom, but it's okay. It's, oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Maybe I'll cook it a little bit on the bottom. But it's cooked. It's just moist. It smells good. I love it. Wow. 11:30 to 6. I say 6:30. It's not 6:30 yet. It's definitely getting the heat that is needing for baking. And put it back. So I reversed it and angled those reflector towards each other so that it will bounce the heat to the biscuit. And I'll check back later. Half an hour. I'm excited.